We're getting right into this question. I'm 19, 20 next month, and I sexualize everything and everyone. It gets really disturbing, and I do this out of control. What can I do to avoid sexualizing everything? It says I'm almost 20, I'm an adult now, and this has been plaguing me for like a year now. It's annoying and disgusting, and frankly, I'm quite sick of it. And it's even got to the point where I'm not even going to read that out loud. Yeah, okay. So that was actually a destructively question that I probably shouldn't read online. But the question is, how do I stop over fantasizing in a sexual way toward people? I want you to first understand is that you were not born with this. You have let this negative being take over your life. I want you to understand that. I want you to understand that most people have let negativity in some sort of way, in some sort of fashion, take over their life. What I need you to do is we are going to go through the process of ripping that being out of you. And it's not going to be easy to get rid of most of our vices as people. It will never be easy, but the only way you can break free from it is that if you can self-reflect, self-heal, and then grow from that situation. That's the only way you're going to be able to get rid of any one of your problems. Your motivation isn't going to be something external. It's got to be internal. It's got to be within your soul. You are the only person that can get you out of the rut that you are in. You have the power to get yourself out of any situation that you are going through. What I need you to do is that I need everybody to start sitting down, meditating, and watching your thoughts go by. Most people can't do that because, again, what do you need to do in order to get to that point? You have to be okay with yourself and your thoughts. Most people, again, they're always watching TV. They're always playing video games. They always have to have music in the background because of what? They are running away from their own mind. Because what your mind's going to do when it's stagnant, it's going to say, hey, remember this? Remember when you did this? Why did I think about that? And all the negative things that you've ever done in your life start to come to the light. So what happens? You start running from that. What I need you to do is I need you to stop running away from your problems. I need you to stop running away from all the things that has happened to you in your life. And I want you to be able to watch your thoughts. That way, when anything comes up into your mind, like in that nature that you're talking about in this question, you can be able to identify it. And I want you to get rid of it. Whenever you get a negative thought, I want you to linger on it. I want you to ask yourself, why did I think about that? I want you to go deep. I want you to dig deep within yourself. And I want you to answer those questions. Why did I think like this? What has made me think like this? And when did I start thinking like this? Questions like that. You will never be able to truly self-heal if you keep sugarcoating questions in your life. You keep always giving yourself the easy way out. I want you to really dig deep within your soul and ask yourself, why do I think negatively? Why have I let negativity win today? And I want you to know that you are stronger than any addiction that you have. Any sort of urge that you have, any sort of thought pattern that you have in a negative way, you are stronger than it. You can conquer anything that is in your way that has to do with your life, your soul. You are stronger than that. You need to tell yourself that you are stronger than that. You need to be able to tell yourself, build up your own self-esteem, your own self-confidence. And once you're able to do that, you can conquer anything in the world. You are not going to find your motivation through this phone. You are not going to solve your problems in life through this phone. You have to be able to go within yourself. You have to be able to dig deep within yourself in order to get to that point, because that's where confidence lies. It lies within your soul. It don't lie within something shallow. You got to be able to go deep. I want you to be able to self-reflect, find the cause, and I want you to kill whatever demon that is in your way. Your own thought patterns, you yourself. Again, I want you to realize that you are the only person that is getting in the way of your blessings. You are the only roadblock that you have in your life. You have created the roadblock in your life, and that is you. You need to be able to tell yourself, hold yourself accountable, and ask yourself questions like, why didn't I do this today? And once you're able to do that, you're going to be able to grow from that. But you need to be able to fix your own life. I cannot do it. Your motivational speaker can't do it. Your mom can't do it. Your brother can't do it. You have to be able to motivate yourself in order for you to grow from it and pick yourself up, because that's all that we got in this world is us at the end of the day. You have to hold yourself accountable if you want to be successful. That's it. If you want to change your life, you want to get rid of those thoughts, you have to hold yourself accountable and identify what is going on and then kill it. That's it. That's the only way you're going to be able to grow from it. And that's it. That's the only thing I have on that topic.